Good afternoon everyone, and today is March 19, 2026. It's a Thursday, and in 5 minutes we're going to start with a ceremony here at the National Library of the Philippines. This is going to be a ceremonial turnover and presentation of the 1875 Carta General del Archipelago Filipino, to be turned over by no less than former Supreme Court Senior Associate Justice Antonio T. Carpio to the National Library of the Philippines. The 1875 Carta General del Archipelago Filipino is a general Spanish era map drawn in 1875. This is like the map preceding the 1834 Murillo Velarde map in the Philippines. And you know, if you take note, the 1875 year Carta General del Archipelago Filipino is only 1 year ahead of the establishment of the Nuestra Señora de las Victorias Pueblo in Negros Occidental, known today as Victoria City, as it was established in 1875. So today we are very lucky to be witnessing the turnover and presentation of the 1875 Carta General del Archipelago Filipino here at the National Library of the Philippines. So this is the program, and today we will see Justice Antonio Carpio donating this piece of a very important historical Spanish era map to the Philippine government through the National Library of the Philippines. So we are here and we are blessed to be among the witnesses together with other historians and historical institutions of the Philippines that are present today. And with us is, of course, Maine and Princess. And in just about 5 minutes, the program here in a special gallery at the National Library of the Philippines will start. It's the formal ceremonial turnover and presentation of the 1875 Carta General del Archipelago Filipino. And again, we are very lucky to be amongst the audience today. So that's all, and regards and take care to my fellow Victoria's Salamat kid. Thank you.